Are you all ready to solve the questions along with me? Shall we begin? Okay. So here is your first question. You have to look at the image and tell me how many pencils are there in this group. Okay? Fine. So your question is, how many pencils are there in 5 groups of 3 pencils each? So did you understand the question? That there are 5 groups, right? This is group number 1, group number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in 5 groups, each group has got 3 pencils. So now we need to find the total number of pencils. So how are we going to do? Number of groups into number of pencils in each group. So we will solve it with the single digit method, 5 into 3. So which is 5 3s are 15. So my answer is 15 pencils. Is it clear, children? Shall we move to the next question? Here is your next question. How many fingers are there in 5 hands? Okay, and your options are A 20, B 19, C 24 and D 25. So how many fingers are there in 5 hands? So what is the number of hands we have? We are having 5 hands. And how many fingers are there in each hand? There are 5 fingers, right? So how will we multiply? 5 into 5, which is nothing but 25. Right? So how many fingers do we have? I have 25 fingers in 5 hands. So where can we see 25? Very good. It is option D. So your right answer is option D. Clear? Shall we move? Now the next question says you have to fill in this blanks. Okay? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 can be written as dash into 2. And your answers are A 4, B 3, C 6 and D 2. So what did I say in the beginning of the class, children? That multiplication is the total of additions. Like it tells us how many times do we have to multiply the number given in a group. Okay. So how many 2's are there? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So adding 2 6 times and multiplying 6 into 2 will give us the same answer, which is 12. Okay. So which is the right option here? Good. It is option C. Option C is my right answer. Clear? So if you want, we can just try cross verifying it. Right? See, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, and 6 into 2 is also 12. Clear? Shall we move ahead with the next pattern of questions? Now, my next question is, you need to tell me how many groups of 6 triangles are there. Okay, so I am going to draw few groups with 6 triangles in each. Okay, and your options are A 2, B 5, C 3, and D 6. Okay, so each group is having 6 triangles. We'll just cross verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my group 3. So how many are there, children? There are 3 groups of 6 triangles each. Clear? Shall we proceed with the next question? Okay. So here is your next question. Your next question says, how many pair of stars can be made? Okay, and these are the number of stars. Okay, and your options are 4, 5, 3, and 2. So now they are asking me how many pairs of stars can be made. So you know that a pair usually means 2, right? Whenever we hear the word pair, it means that it is denoting about 2. So can we count here? How many pairs? We will just circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many pairs we were able to make? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which means option B, 5 is my right answer. Clear? Shall we proceed further? Here is your question. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 can also be written as dash into dash. Okay, and your answers are 5, 2, option B 5, 5, option C 2, 5, option D both A and C. Okay. Okay. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is the way in which you can represent? Can we write it in the form 5 and 2? Yes, this is correct. We can write it as 5 times 2 is being multiplied, right? So we can write 5 into 2. Can we write 5 and 5? No. So this is not my right option. Can we write 2 into 5? That is 2 is multiplied 5 times. So you can write in this way also. So which means that option A and option C both are my right answers. So we studied in the property of multiplication that the either way the number is swapped, the product is going to remain the same. So if we write 2 into 5 or we write 5 into 2, my answer is going to remain the same. Right. So this can be written in both the forms. Clear, children? Shall we proceed with the next set of questions?